It was like a dream coming true. Yes, I got more passionate. I want to tell the story. I'm Farah Al Youssef. I am 22 years old, a Saudi racing driver in the making. I'm going to be the wildcard entry for Saudi Arabia in the F1 STC GP for 2025. I'm very excited for this week. I'm super thrilled. I'm going to be racing on one of the best circuits there is on the F1 calendar. Driving on Jeddah circuit has definitely been a great dream of mine. It's very fast. A driver can feel every heartbeat driving on that circuit. I'm very excited to be representing Saudi's passion, ambition, and determination, and I'm very excited to be on the track. Honestly, I've always been interested in cars and in how beautifully it's been designed and engineered. I've always thought that a supercar is a man's best creation, but being in a race car has been a thrill to me. Honestly, since age 15, since I jumped into karting as a hobby, I felt like this is where I belong. With Vision 2030, the dedication and the amount of effort from the Saudi government into sports and motorsport has been amazing. So there came the opportunity to take that hobby to the professional level. I received a call, and that was one of the best calls I've ever received. Hi Farah, we heard that you've been racing. Do you want to try a single-seater? Are you ready to do that next week? And I was like, yes, of course I am ready to do that. Taking that jump to F4 and to F1 Academy's car has been quite an experience. It's pretty crazy, actually. Like, lots of concepts are different. The Formula 4 has wonderful aerodynamics. Once you go fast, you activate these abilities that make you have better grip and stick more to the ground and just eventually be faster. Having my background in aerospace engineering has given me a push. It definitely boosted my confidence. It made the process of trusting the car a little bit faster. Coming to the race weekend, it's definitely a lot of preparation that we have on track, but also off track is very crucial. We need to be physically super prepared for the heat, for the weather, and also for the G-force, and it gets very demanding and physically fatiguing. We need the muscles so we can keep pushing. And yeah, then there's nothing left but to be in the car, strapped in and on the track. Arriving to the garage and looking at the car that I'm going to be driving, inshallah, has made me over the moon and super happy. Looking at the livery and seeing the colors and having it matched with the racing suit, this has become a reality and it's no longer a dream. One of the most beautiful things is that I've seen lots of Saudi girls wanting to pursue a career and wanting to actually get into the motorsport field. And that has been very inspiring and very beautiful for me, because so many years ago, it wasn't really like that. It always inspires me and motivates me to keep trying to do my absolute best so I can pave the way for the Saudi girls and Saudi young drivers. It's been an amazing journey into preparation and training and to actually attending the race weekend, and it's been an amazing, inspiring experience also for the audience and for fans. We hear lots of athletes speak of sports having a great influence on their personality and on their mental strength, but I've personally witnessed it in the past couple of months. It really grew me and allowed me to grow as a person, and I became a better me with sports and with motorsport. I'm still absolutely every day super blessed and super grateful. I'm very grateful to be part of Motorsport program. Although this was a race debut, winning is not just by being on the podium at this point. This falls in my bigger picture and in the learning journey. It's definitely gonna get me closer and closer to the end goal of representing Saudi in global championship. And now we know what to work on, how to improve, so that we can definitely get on podiums very soon, inshallah. This is just the beginning.